Good morning, students. A warm welcome to all of you on e-learning classroom. I think all of you are ready for your class. All of you pay attention on your work. Now I am going to start a new topics in maths. My dear students, in previous class, I have completed the chapter fraction. Today, I am going to start a new topics, that is geometry. In geometry, we will learn about the different things like line segment, etc. Different topics are here. One by one, I will explain to you. Now, your first question, what is geometry? So first I want to give you the introduction of geometry. First, all of you know about it. Why? What is geometry? What's its uses in our daily life? Why we read geometry? Geometry is also a kind of mathematics that deals shapes, figures. It explains how to build our shapes and measure them. It and it also denotes the comparing of different figures. People use geometry in many kinds of work like building houses and bridges, and in many planning work, space travel. These all are the work where geometry is used. So in short, you can say that it is also a part of mathematics in which we learn about how to draw shapes, how to draw different types of figure and comparing the figures, which one is greater, which one is smaller, and different types of basic concepts we learn in geometry. Students, in this slide, I am going to explain about you the point, lines and angles. These all are the basic terms of geometry. Now, first, a point. A point is an object that has no length or width. It means it doesn't contain any length or width. It is simply represented by a dot. Next, line. A line in an object that extends without end in both directions. Line can extend in both directions, either left or right. If you are drawing a line, you can. It can't be stopped. It goes on forever and ever. It doesn't stop. So, line is usually denoted by arrowheads. And arrowheads signify that line is going on forever. Now, the line segment. A line segment is a part of line with two end points. And a ray, it is a half of a line. It has only one end point. Now, the angle. Two rays with the same end point form an angle. Angles are measured and it is measured in degree. Here, the picture of line, ray, line segment and angles are given. And you have to draw all the pictures of line, ray, line segment and angles in your copy. Next, polygons. A polygon is a closed figure It is formed by together joining the line segments. There, if you join different line segments, you get the polygons. A polygon with three sides are called triangle. Some kinds of triangle have a special name. It is equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. These different types of triangle, it's the name of the triangle. A triangle with one right angle is also called right angle triangle. A polygon with four sides is called quadrilateral. Example is square, rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with sides that form four right angle. And a square is also a kind of rectangle with four sides of equal length. The question is, what is the difference between the rectangle and the square? In square, all the four sides are equal. But in rectangle, only front sides are equal. Polygons with more than four sides are named as pentagon, hexagon. Pentagon has five line segments are present here, and in hexagon 6 sides are present. In octagon 8 sides are present. So these are all about the polygons. It is denoted as the, if you join different line segments, then you will get the different types of polygons. Students, these all are the different shapes of geometry. Triangle given here. In triangle there is equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle is those triangle in which three sides are equal. Right triangle, it means one angle is equal to 90 degree. And different type of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, these all pictures are given here. And polygons, this is pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and picture of circle. You will try to draw all these shapes in your copy. Next, introduction about the angles. What is angle? When two lines intersect at a point, the measure of the opening between these two lines called an angle. You can say that when two lines meet at a point, two lines are coming, and wherever they meet, they form an angle, and we can measure this angle. Angle is denoted by a symbol. Angle is formed when two rays or two line segments join at a common end point, and the point where they meet is called the vertex. Students, in this picture you are saying OA is one ray and OB is another ray, and they are meeting at a point O. That meeting point is called vertex. So you can denote O as a vertex. And OA, this is the one ray, and it is also called arms. OB, this is another ray, and it is called arms. So in angle, you can say that vertex and arms are present. When vertex and arms meet together, they form an angle. So you can define the vertex common end point with two, where two arms meet is called the vertex of an angle. Two rays or line segments form an angle, and they are called arms. Now, naming of the angle. If you draw the angle, then you have to give the name. What's the name of the angle? Suppose an angle XYZ where Y is the point where angles are formed, and we use a symbol for the angle. So here we can write X, Y, Z is an angle where, and Y is the point where angles are formed. No, special note, we use capital letters to name an angle. It means angle is always denoted by capital letter. You will not use small letter here. Next, letter in the middle denote the vertex of the angle. Whatever letter is present here, that is the vertex. And we can also use number in place of alphabet. Here you can use the number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Any number you can use to write the or to represent the angle. So we can also use number in place of alphabet to give the name of an angle. Students, your next topic is interior and exterior of an angle. The points which are present within the arc and vertex is called the interior part of the angle, and the point which is present outside the angle is called the exterior. So points interior of angle PQR is point C and point A. So these all are the interior part, and the points exterior of an angle PQR is KY. These all are the exterior part of the angle. Now, an angle is measured in degrees. There are 360 degrees in one full rotation, one complete circle around. So, you can measure the angle with the help of degree, and in one full rotation in a circle there are 360 degrees in present. One complete circle around in one complete circle there are, it is measurement of an angle is the 360 degree. Size of an angle. After measuring, you can compare the angle, which one angle is the greater and which one angle is the smaller. So for comparing the angle, we have to take protractor. For the measurement of an angle, we use a protractor. The standard size of a protractor is 180 degree. There are two sets of numbers on a protractor. One is in clockwise direction and another is in anti-clockwise direction. Students, it's the time of classwork. Now all of you start the classwork. Some pictures are given here and you have to identify whether it is a line segment or a ray. So question 1A, what is this? You can say it is a ray. Next one, line segment. C, ray. D, ray. And E, it is a part of line, that is line segment. And the last one is your ray. In this way, you have to identify the picture and write the name of the given picture. Next, how many line segments are there in each? So you count the line segments and write the answers, how many line segments are present here. Next, match the following. A line segment has two end points. Represents a ray. A ray has one end point. A line segment is a part of line. A line has no end points. A line segment can be measured. Now, fourth question, construct the following line segments. You have to draw the following line segments. XY 3 cm, CD 4 cm, AB 12 cm, PQ 9 cm. So with the help of the scale, you can draw the following line segments. My dear students, it's the time of homework. Already I have explained about the angle and different types of angle. I think all of you have understood the new topics. If there is any problem, then once again I will take the another class also. Next, it's the time of homework. Read and write of all the topics which you have read in this e-learning classroom. Okay, have a nice day.